going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. So, I actually got 2 boxes in the mail today, y'all. But one of them is from bro, and I know what they are. You know what I'm saying? Actually, I know what all of them are, y'all. I mean, it's my mail. But shout out to my bro, Unbreakable Kicks. I will be unboxing that box as well. Maybe I'll post that one today as well, or I might post that one tomorrow. But this box right here is what I've been waiting on. And I want to say, man, shout out Mr. Beans, bro. Shout out Mr. Beans. He asked me about this shoe, so I believe it was you, Mr. Beans. So if you're watching the video, bro, shout you out, bro. Appreciate all the love that you be doing and support. You know what I'm saying? So this is just to go back, y'all. I done marked my name out and everything, but I want to show y'all something. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all on my live that DHL is an official mailing, you know what I'm saying, postal service. So right here, I'm going to show you guys. Right here so you can see it. It's sent by DHL, but what does that say? It says Foot Locker. Foot Locker Europe, y'all. So that's just giving y'all, you know what I'm saying, that's just letting y'all know that just because stuff comes from DHL don't mean it's fake, y'all. But there is a lot of fakes. Don't get me wrong. Unauthorized shoes, they come through DHL. But y'all ain't got to worry about that over here on this channel, y'all. Everything's authentic. Get it? So pick up from Foot Locker this Saturday, man, online. Y'all already know what it is if y'all didn't. You know what I'm saying? Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. And y'all know the rest, man. Give your boy a thumbs up. Drop a comment. Let me know if this was a copper drop for y'all. Let's get into the box, y'all. As I stated before, y'all see me opening up the box. You know what I'm saying? Cover up my name right there. Y'all see, it's from Foot Locker. You know what I'm saying? Authentic. You dig? Y'all already know what time it is, baby. Woo!
New shoes, new shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know what time it is, man. We got them Air Jordan 11 black. So you already know, cap and gown, prom night, whatever y'all want to call it. No suggested retail sticker on my box, because your boy lives in Germany. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and get these shoes out the box, y'all. So, off rip, man. These are fuego. Y'all, I get excited about new shoes all the time, especially J's, man. Like, but y'all know Michael Jordan, greatest player ever to play the game. You know what I'm saying? That is the man. You know what I'm saying? Guys, oh my gosh, man. Look at these things, man. These things are fire. Y'all, I am so happy I was able to hit on these on footlocker.de. I know they've been doing a lot of, look, it's a little tissue, something on it. They've been doing a lot of restocks on these already, y'all. And you know what I think, man? I think Jordan Brand, shout out Unbreakable Kicks. I believe bro said it too, and I was talking with Twin about it, man. I think that they're using the shoes as guinea pigs to see how much we're gonna pay for them. Now, as y'all see, I paid for them. Shoot, I wanted them, man. Like, if you want the shoe, you're gonna buy them. I do like how they went with the laces, like you know what I'm saying? And you already know they got them tip things on there. You know what I'm saying? They got them tip things on there. You know what I'm saying? And got that black insert. Yes, Lord. Woo! Boy, I'm happy I got these things, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I thought it was going to be super hard to get. I tried to double up on them on Saturday. That was a no-go. You know what I'm saying? I tried on Kicks. I tried on Kicks and Foot Locker at the same time. I was doing Kicks on my phone, Foot Locker on the computer. Hit on the computer instantly for these. And I had a couple people, you know what I'm saying? Shout out my bro, B-Boy Lost Spin, and everybody that he had trying to help me get the shoes, you know what I'm saying? And I was able to hit on these. I'm so happy. Actually, you know what, man? I don't know, man. I like these better than the Gammas, y'all. Maybe I like them better than the Gammas. And I'm not saying that because I don't have the Gammas in my collection no more. I had the Gammas, y'all. I do not own them anymore. But, you know what I'm saying? I like this. I like this better because it's just all black. You know what I'm saying? The only thing that I would have changed is I would have went with a different upper up here instead of the suede. But actually, you know what I'm saying, the suede is straight. You know what I'm saying? But if I had to make it ideally perfect, y'all, I would have went with, like, the regular upper. I wouldn't change it, and I would just keep it black. I don't know what type of suede or what nubuck material, whatever you want to call it, that Jordan Brand is using. But it's been different on each pair of shoes, I'd say. It's some good suede on these. You still got that swish on there, you know what I'm saying? Seeing that jump move, I think, yeah, y'all can see it. You can still see that thing move. But yeah, I don't know, y'all. But high cut patent leather with the peak things on that thing, y'all. You know what I'm saying? You got them peaks on that thing. Love how they did that with the jump, man. Yes, Lord. And I love how they did this, man. They put the stitching back there for the 23. Can't go wrong with that. You know it ain't gonna scratch off. That junk gonna stay. You know what I'm saying? Got that third spacing. Woo! Boy, y'all, these are clean, man. These are clean. I actually think it's more so, looking at it, it looks more like a winter shoe, though, just because I think of the, I'm gonna be honest, the suede kind of makes it look like a winter shoe to me. But, y'all already know, if y'all want to see it on foot of these bag things, I'm gonna throw them on feet. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna do that for y'all. But y'all let me know if this was a cop or a drop for y'all. You know what I'm saying? The cap and gowns, the prom nights, whatever y'all want to call them. These things are fire. Man, I'm so glad I got to hit on these, y'all. Shout out to footlocker.de, man. Because I damn sure been paying a lot of, I done spent so much money with footlocker.de, y'all. But, you know what I'm saying? Got the regular black tissue paper on the box. Y'all already know the rest. You know what I'm saying? Got the stamp in that thing right there. And, you know, black little Jordan joint right there. And y'all already know. I ain't got to read it. Y'all already know what everything say right here. And if you don't know what they say, then you obviously don't know. I mean, I don't know. Like, if you don't know, you just don't know. But yes, Lord, y'all. That is what we picked up today. This is the unboxing for y'all. Y'all already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to spin these pictures for y'all. So if this your first time tuning in, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, y'all. Ring that notification bell for your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, so y'all don't miss any of the content I drop. As well as, you know what I'm saying, give your boy that thumbs up. And drop a comment below. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, y'all. I'll probably be announcing all the details, like I said, about 960 subscribers, man. That way I give everybody a fair chance to participate in it. And you already know, man, gonna spin these pictures. You already know, follow your boy at the Retro Wiz Kid on Instagram, posting pictures daily. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want to catch what heat I got on my feet, make sure y'all go over there today and y'all gonna see what heat I got on my feet today. So that's about it for y'all, man. We gonna spin these pictures, y'all, and I will get at y'all in the next video. Get it!